watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends! It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and guess what time it is? It's new mystery box time. Now this mystery box is the bottoms up mystery box. And super important is we have another new cutie. And I know I'm gonna love this color. Oh, this one is so pretty. We have Violet. And Violet is a beautiful pastel purple, just as Violet should be. Absolutely love this. And because we get a Cricut Cutie in this box is available to Cricut Access members only. In the links below, not only can you purchase the box, but you can get the links to see the Access membership. I know we have lots of purple fans too. Like purple has there are people that are purple passionate. So purple ones always go quickly, I know this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop up here that Violet Cutie next to ones that are close in color. As you can see, the Lilac Cutie is much, much lighter. And then again, it also has that different finish where it is the shiny finish, where Violet is that new, I don't know if it's matte or it's satin. I always called it matte, but now I'm like, I feel like it's satin. Satin finish. All right, now let's go ahead and see the rest of the contents of the box. And the reason for the name of the box, stackable ceramic mugs. So we are getting Cricut's, it's 4 10-ounce ceramic mugs, and they are stackable, so you can stack them on top of one another. And they are compatible with infusible ink also. So you can throw infusible ink on these, or you can throw vinyl on them, and then you can make just individual 4 mugs, or create an image that's all in one. Like some people do a snowman, or I've seen like Christmas and Nutcracker, where each one builds part of the Nutcracker. And to get ideas for these guys, go ahead and look in Design Space in the projects and go ahead and search stackable mugs. And there's a whole bunch of ideas there and cute ones to choose from to go ahead and make these. This would be a great, I'm always thinking Christmas this time, this would be a great gift too. Something super fun and magical to throw on those rugs is heat activated color changing vinyl. So this vinyl, once you put like heat in your mug, it will go ahead and change the colors. So it goes from like a dark turquoise to a much lighter blue, but it's really cool to watch, fun, and a little magical. And this vinyl is a glossy finish too. And then you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this. But something else that's magical and great to put on glasses is the cold activated color changing vinyl. So this is gonna change when you have a cold beverage inside your glass. And then that's gonna change from the light pink color to the dark pink once that cold beverage is in the cup. So you can make them a magical mug and you can make them magical cups. But we are getting Cricut's holographic vinyl sampler. So you're gonna get 3 different colors of the holographic vinyl, and each sheet is 12 by 24 inches. And the colors in there, you're gonna get 1 blue, 1 opal, and 1 pink. And then you can see there the pretty colors. And it changes, that's why it's magical. So pretty. And this you can add on the mugs too. Just think, cut this in unicorn on something and put it on. I was gonna say for a little girl, and then I remember I'm in my mid-40s and I love unicorns and it would make me happy too. So cut this and put, say you make like a unicorn notebook or something. I firmly believe we are never too old for unicorns. And we're getting some more vinyl. This is Cricut's premium glossy vinyl in a great Christmas color, that tomato red. And then you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of this. And we are getting some more premium vinyl, and this one is pearl metallic. This is the maize yellow color. So if you can see that the pearl it has, super duper duper pretty. And again, you'll get 12 by 48 inches of this. And since we got a bunch of vinyl, what do we need for the vinyl? We need transfer tape. So we need transfer tape. So we are getting a big box of this. This is 12 inches by 21 feet long. That way you can go ahead and transfer all of that vinyl you got. Well, way more than that, because this will transfer a lot of projects. And I do want to mention, this is a new packaging. So when you get this, it is not going to be in the same packaging. However, it is the exact same thing, just new packaging. So that was everything that was in Cricut's bottoms up mystery box. And the price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, which in mystery boxes, you're always getting a great value for your money, and you always save on it with your access discount too. So the savings are even more than it looks like they are. Plus, you get the beautiful, beautiful Violet Cutie. We have a lot of purple I was gonna say we have a lot of purple fan friends, but my brain just said friends. We have purple Frans, okay? And people love it. This one is such a pretty color too. And it's such a more vivid pastel purple than lilac, which I love. I have to say this is one of my top 10 favorite cutie colors. And links are in the video description below to go ahead and purchase the mystery box. When you use our links, we greatly, greatly appreciate it. And it never ever comes at any added cost to you. Oh, and one more thing I want to mention. Those who are doing the challenge for the Cricut's National Card Making Day, you still have time to put your entries in. So make sure you do that so you can win the prize bundle. Now they do have a specific card that you will cut, but then you can go ahead and decorate it however you want. It's just the base of the card and the matting. And we do have a video tutorial on how to put that card together. That was a beautiful card done by the talented Mary Penn. So make sure you get in your entry so you can win that. That's a $300 prize bundle. That is a lot of Cricut goodies. So if you guys go ahead, give us the like and the subscribe and drop a comment. Did you get the box? What do you think of the Violet Cutie? Oh, you know what else I want to know? Drop in the comments below, what is your favorite cutie color? So hope you all have a craftastic rest of your week, and may your week be filled with lots of happy crafting. And until next time, crafty friends, bye! And toodles from Alex.